So welcome back to JB Reviews. Today I have Ken.
How you doing?
And he is going to be helping me demonstrate the winch on the new Ford Super Duty. So we're gonna basically pull this truck. I want to see just how strong it is, how it works, all that good stuff. And then, yeah.
All right.
So these trucks are both available, right?
Yes, correct.
What's your cell phone number?
801-694-5269. That's my cell. You can call me anytime.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
So the very first thing we're gonna do is he's gonna plug in right here for the controller.
Plug this controller in here.
Yep.
Let's see.
Easy.
Yep.
And so if we want to have a free spool, we're going to turn this counterclockwise. And now we can just pull this out. Or you can use that. Yep. Yeah, you can actually use the controller to pull it out too.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to do. Look at the hook that they give you. This is nice. Real good stuff here. Just going to go ahead and hook it up there.
Okay.
I'm going to back up a little bit more. And then we're gonna have the truck pull it. So you're gonna hold on to that. So just really quickly, we did run this over and into the truck. Yeah, they use a synthetic cord here. That's pretty good right there. Cool. Now what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put this truck into neutral and we're gonna have him basically pull it. So neutral, and there you go. Oh, so I forgot. When you use the free spool, you can just pull the cord out like this. So in order for this to work, you have to turn this the opposite direction. And then that's it. There it is. There it is. It's working. There it is. That's pretty cool. So this winch is, how much money is this winch? Let me see. It's basically $4,000. So it's 12,000 pounds. And believe it or not, they do not factory install it. They do install it here at the dealership. So the techs in the bay basically do it themselves. So
Yeah, they do.
yeah, let me see the controller real quickly. So this is a worn winch. And then this is the controller. Yeah, I think they have a wireless controller too. Yeah, pretty cool stuff though.
Yeah, it is. It works good.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, really nice stuff. Now, if you want, you could just hook it here and then tighten it back up. There it is. No, you're good.
Just take this out.
Yeah. That's it. And pull it in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I gotta put it back in now. I just didn't want to tighten it up. It's probably better on this other side.
Yeah. Yeah, it normally hangs on the paint, so it's just better just to let it hang like that. I don't like the way it looks personally, but it's better than it hanging on the paint. Yeah.
Scratch your paint up a little bit.
No, I agree.
Lift this up a little bit.
There it is.
So that's how you use the winch. It's a great, especially here in Utah where you get stuck a lot up in the mountains. It's a great accessory to pull out them Chevys.
Oh yeah. I like that. Now you do have a darkened bronze trimmer available, right?
I do.
Ultimate?
That just came in. Ultimate package.
Trimmer?
Loaded out, trimmer, lariat.
Yeah.
Nice truck.
And this platinum long bed's available with the winch, and this lariat with the black appearance is available. So be sure to reach out to Ken.
Yeah, call me anytime. Once again, 801-694-5269.
I hope you guys liked the video. Had a ton of fun shooting that. Really appreciate Ken coming out and helping me. Now, I would have done these videos a lot earlier, but most of the 4 trucks that were coming in last year with the winch were sold orders, and I don't feel comfortable using someone's winch on their truck because that's their truck, you know, and that truck was available and it is available for sale. But I wanted to go over a few things with you guys. $4,000 is a lot of money. I'm just going to tell you right now. It's a really good winch. You guys saw we were at like 60% capacity for it too. Now granted we weren't downhill or something like that pulling something, but still it is nice to see that winch, you know, in action, because it didn't feel like it was under any strain when I was using it to pull that nearly 8,000, actually it was a little bit over 8,000 pounds of a truck, so pretty good. But the biggest issue that I saw with that winch, and I'll show you guys some footage here, was when I was actually at a dealership, actually at Larry H. Miller in Salt Lake City, and I was helping one of the techs install the winch. Now, he told me he has done maybe 3 or 4 of them between last year and now, and he said that it is almost impossible not to scratch that bumper. My opinion is Ford needs to redesign that bumper for the winch. If someone wants to order that winch, they should have a different design for the bumper. As you guys saw, there is no mounting point for that hook. You have to hook it to the recovery points on the truck, which it looks terrible in my opinion. It looks terrible. So I would just have mine dangling. I would never hook it up to the recovery hook because I don't like to see the cable. I like to see it all kind of hidden under the bumper there. But that's just something that Ford can work on. And I think $4,000, and that's obviously including installation. I think they could just install it at the manufacturer a lot easier. But I wonder if the reason why they didn't install it at the manufacturer is because they're having the same issues where they were scratching the bumpers or whatever. I don't know. So, like I said, we'll have to see what they do for the refresh. Maybe they'll redesign that bumper. I think what Ram does with the Power Wagon and the Rebel, you have those black steel bumpers, and they do give you a place to put that hook for the winch. So theirs is just a better design in my opinion. But apart from that, it is available and it does work phenomenal. And even having the controller is long enough to put it inside the interior of the truck so you can use it if you need to pull yourself out. So yeah, it's definitely worth it if you go off-road, or if you doing construction, that stuff would be helpful for that too. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Got some more great videos coming for you. See you soon.